After St. Xavier High School, I joined Sri Kailaspat Singhania Higher Secondary School in Janjgir Chapa, Bilaspur, near Bilaspur. And I was really fortunate to work in that school. In that school, all the students liking me and all class 10 students, they used to celebrate my birthday on 15th October every year, and that was really attached me emotionally with that school and all the students. I'm really fortunate to work in that institution. Still, many students connected with me through social media like WhatsApp and Facebook. I got 4 feedback videos of Roshni, Kamini, Sandhya, and Rahul of class 10 students from that school. Please watch their videos. Thank you very much, Kamini Pandey, Sandhya Shukla, and Rahul Srivastava.
Hi, I'm Roshni Swarnakar, working as a science and math teacher at Brahmavidya Global School, Raipur. I studied at Sri Kailashpat Singhania Higher Secondary School, Gopalnagar. And Sir Kumar Swami taught me math over there. And to be very honest, I was not good at math. But when Kumar Sir taught me in grade 9th, 10th, 11th, I fell in love with mathematics. The technique, the methodology he was using was seriously brilliant. So I used to give even extra classes after the school, and not only after the school but on Sundays also, and he helped us a lot with the sample papers prepared by him. That's why not only me, the whole batch is proud to have such a brilliant teacher like Kumar sir. We have seen sir every day how hard he had worked for us and for our future, literally. Thank you so much sir for being in our life as a teacher. So you are such an amazing teacher who had showed me that learning can actually be fun, and being your student is something that I will never forget. I will never forget the lessons you taught me. Thank you so much sir for making your lessons informative, challenging and fun, all these things at the same time. I must say through your hard work and dedications I have learned a lot, and you know, if there were a Nobel Prize for the best teacher, I'm sure you will get it. And I just wanted to let you know that you were my teacher, you are my teacher, and you will always be my teacher. May your blessings be with me forever, sir. All the very best, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Kamini Pandey. Presently I am working as a teacher in St. Francis School, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I am here with a great privilege to thank my teacher Kumar Swami sir, who had taught me maths in class 9th and 10th in Sri Kailaspat Singhania Higher Secondary School, Gopalnagar. He was a teacher with great enthusiasm and energy. He handled us with love and care. He used to make our class fun-filled by asking different questions and inviting us on the board to solve the sums. Everyone thinks maths as a very tough subject, and we were also on the same boat. But Kumar sir, by all his possible means, tried to overcome our fear. He used to take mock tests on Sundays to emulate exam conditions for practice and emphasized on getting 100% marks. After school hours, he used to take extra classes and clear our doubts. He was a very hardworking teacher. He encouraged quick solving of problems and gave us different tricks to solve them. Students now are very fortunate to have his website www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com, which have been prepared with vast knowledge and experience gathered all over the years. It contains sample papers and question banks updated as per the syllabus and patterns of class 9th, 6th to 10th. Last but not the least, I would convey my sincere thanks and gratitude to Sir for helping me deal with a difficult subject like maths in my school life, and I hope your hard work will be as useful for the students and for the generations to come. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Sandhya Shukla, PGT Economics. Presently I am working in KPS Bilaspur. Hereby I am saying thanks to Mr. Kumar Swami sir, our maths teacher, who had taught us in Sri Kalaspat Singhania Higher Secondary School. He taught us from class 8 to 10th, and because of his countless efforts we got 100% result in maths, and especially because of his efforts, and he used to take extra classes in Sunday, and he used to take our revision test. Because of his efforts, our maths fear has reduced a lot, and especially right now as I am teaching economics, so when I am taking a statistics subject, when I am using the same tricks which Kumar Swami sir used to take, I am also getting very good feedback from my student. At last I would say thanks to our sir, because of his countless efforts and his endless blessings, our maths had improved a lot, and will never forget his contribution in our life. Thank you very much, sir.
Hi, I'm Rahul Srivastav. I'm currently working as an associate marketing manager in world's leading large OD line pipe manufacturing company called Welspun Corp Limited at Mumbai. I studied under Kumar sir till class 10th at Sri Kalaspat Singhania Higher Secondary School, Gopal Nagar, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. He was the one who made me realize that mathematics is not a subject to fear, but it is a subject to enjoy. Because of his confidence over me, I performed well in my board exams, and I was able to score some 90 odd marks in my boards. His personable approach, positive attitude, coupled with some great sense of teaching strategy, helped me to improve my mathematical skills. He also took several initiatives for students, such as he conducted extra classes on Sundays, wherein he dedicated his personal time for betterment of students. I would like to wish Sir all the best for his personal and professional journey, and I would like to assure all the students who are working or studying under him that their future is in great hands. Keep believing, sir, and keep working hard. Success will follow you. And there is a small message from my side to sir, that you will always be my mathematics teacher. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you very much, Roshni, Kamini, Sandhya, and Rahul for remembering my services at Shri Kalaspat Singhania Higher Secondary School. I'm really fortunate to have you all as my students. Thank you very much to all of you for your wonderful comments and kind words for me. God bless you all.